Hello. In this video, you are going to learn how to archive a channel in Microsoft Teams. Archiving channels is now possible in Microsoft Teams. Remember, beforehand, you could only archive an entire team. Well, now archiving a channel is possible without having to archive the entire team. So now if you click on any team that you're in, that you are an owner or an admin of, you can go to a channel under that team, then click the three dots next to that specific channel and scroll down to where it says Archive Channel. Team members will not be able to send messages, redact, or edit content in the archive channel. But the good news is that an archive channel will still be accessible in the left-hand menu, and you can always revisit it for past info if you need it. This is a great way to keep your old projects or information handy without having it clutter your active team or channels. Use the archive channel setting to preserve channel content and put the channel in sleep mode. After you click Archive Channel, you will get a box that says, "This will freeze all conversations in the channel and you can restore this channel at any time." It does give you the option to make the SharePoint folder read-only for team members. This will allow team members to still be able to access the content in the SharePoint folder. So if you want that to be an option, you would check that off and then click Archive. And now here you can see that that channel has become a hidden channel underneath this dropdown, under the team itself. If I click the three dots again, I now have the option to restore that channel. And eventually, if you do not need the channel at all anymore or any of the content in the channel, you can always delete the channel. Now you know how to archive a channel in Microsoft Teams. Stay tuned for next week's What the Tech tip. See you then.